Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman, and I'm an attorney with Goldman Associates. And today we want to discuss the conduct of your ex during parenting time. You know, in an ideal world, everybody will do the right thing. Everybody will act appropriately during parenting time, not during parenting time. It'll all be very, very appropriate. The problem is, and the call we get often is, you know, my wife is doing terrible things during parenting time. She's getting drunk. She's going to the bar. She's driving around town with the kids in the car seats, but she's drunk. Or, you know, my ex-husband, you know, is associating with felons. He's using drugs during parenting time. These kind of things. What do you do if you're in that environment? Well, you do have to remember that while the court is not going to let you micromanage how your ex spends his or her time with the kids, the court will intervene at the point where the way they're spending their time is dangerous to the children. If the court feels it's not in their best interest to see that kind of conduct, the court will limit the parenting time, either cutting it out altogether, cutting it out a little bit, imposing a supervisor, so you have supervised parenting time. So there are remedies that the court imposes in a situation where your ex is acting poorly during parenting time. But be aware of one thing. You're going to probably have occasion to go back and forth before the court until these children reach the age of majority. You want to do it with credibility. You want to do it with dignity. You do not want to be one of those people that's going there every single week complaining about your ex. The court's going to get sick of you, won't want to hear you, won't believe you, and then when you need the court for something legitimate, you're not going to be able to get the response that you want. So therefore, be judicious about what you bring before the court in the way of reporting bad conduct of your ex. Make sure it's not just something that you're upset about, you're itching one place, scratching another, so you file a motion. Don't do that. Remember, that kind of activity, that kind of overzealousness when it's not necessary, it's a very poor substitute for intellect, and the court's going to see it that way and not appreciate what you're doing. So therefore, be judicious about it. Bring it to the court's attention when your ex is doing something that generally impacts the children in a negative way. If you have any questions about that, reach out to us and we'll be glad to help you out. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and share.